Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. As always, want to thank you guys for supporting the channel. All the viewers, all the subscribers, immensely appreciate the support. If you guys do like the content, if you guys do like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. Today, I thought I'd take a look at the mining statistics of my new L3 Plus Antminer. I mentioned this on a video, I think last week, talking about purchasing an L3 Plus Antminer. I was able to do that on the secondary market. Got one off Craigslist actually for a very, very good price, just over $2,500. And it surprisingly was working, so a very, very good price. These online have been going for around $4,000 or so. So quite fortunate that I was able to purchase this machine. Not quite sure the person who had it knew exactly what it was for or what it was capable of doing. But now I have it, it is mining. So I thought I'd kind of go through and kind of show you guys what one of these machines can do, and if it's going to be profitable or not. If we take a look at my mining pool statistics here, you can see currently up and running, currently 492 mega hash. And this is a little bit different than what the Antminer is telling me. It's mining at 502 mega hash, but this will kind of bounce around a bit. You can see over the last 24 hours here, it's at 501 mega hash, 501.3 mega hash. And then you can see some of the work that has been doing, the shares, stall shares, invalid shares, which fortunately have been zero so far with this particular miner. And then the rewards that I've returned so far, 0.1643 Litecoin. And per 24-hour interval here, you can see it's earning 0.0703 Litecoin. So very, very interesting. I've also have it set up where every 0.1 Litecoin it will be paid out to my Litecoin wallet, and currently it's had 16 payments so far, 0.16 there as you can see, unpaid rewards. And again, the pending awards over the last 24 hours. This is really going to help us determine if this is going to be a profitable endeavor or not. If we take a look at the full mining history here, you can see that over the last 24 hours or so, it's been kind of decreasing a bit here. It did change the difficulty, as we can see on the bottom here. I started here on the 18th. You can see the difficulty here, 3.56 million or so. Then it jumped up to 3.68 million. So a little bit of an increase in that, and that's going to really determine how many coins you can get per 24-hour interval. As this goes up, it's much more difficult, and since your hash rate stays the same, your coin rate is going to decrease, and really that's going to determine the profitability over the longer term. How quickly is this going up, and how quickly is the number of coins decreasing that you get per 24-hour period? We'll kind of talk about that in a number of videos that I'll be posting here, talking about the L3 Plus Antminer. And again, you can see here the total return so far, the total work I've done, the total shares in computing all of the algorithms in processing the Litecoin, and then how many Litecoin I've gotten so far. This is quite lower than I was expecting. When I had some GPUs up and running about 2 or 3 years ago, I was getting about a half a coin per day, and currently I'm only getting 0.07 per day. If we go back to the prior graph here, you can see 0.07032 shares per 24-hour period. So the difficulty has went up quite a bit since when I was mining with those GPUs. Back then, I was looking at 1 to 2,000 for difficulty. Now it's up to 3.7 million for difficulty. So you can see there's a lot more miners mining and a lot more processing power out there. So if you take a look at the graph for the Litecoin over the past 24 hours or so, you can see that really it has been kind of up and down here. You can see that it was kind of up over $300 for a number of weeks here, at least a number of days. It's definitely come back quite dramatically here. A lot of this has to do with a lot of the Asian markets potentially banning the trade of cryptocurrency. Not quite sure what that's all going to kind of come out as with regards to legislation or laws restricting the trading of cryptocurrency, but the Asian market, the talk of banning cryptocurrency in South Korea as well as China definitely has decreased the price of all coins, especially Bitcoin and some of the other major coins like Ethereum and Litecoin. You can see here, currently it's now under $200, 197, 194 I think was the last one I saw. So we'll kind of have to watch and see what the price does here, because this is really going to determine for the most part how profitable mining with these machines are. Yes, the difficulty and the hash rate will be very key components, but the price will change very, very dramatically over a very short amount of time. And this is really what's going to determine if my L3 Plus Antminer is profitable over the next few months or so. The goal is to pay off the Antminer within 3 or 4 months, because I do think that the large manufacturers of the machines, like the L3 Plus Antminer from Bitmain, will be putting out new machines, new powerful machines, and if that happens, I see the difficulty going up quite dramatically. So at that point, I'll have to sell off my machine, hopefully recoup some of that cost with the mining as well, and hopefully with all of that said and done, I'll have a profit. If we take a look at the Antminer itself, you can see it's Antminer L3 Plus, currently the world's most powerful Litecoin miner. At least that's what's being advertised here. You can see the hash rate, 504 mega hash. Again, a little bit of variance there, plus or minus. And you can see in the mining pool that I had posted, it's right around 490 or so, although the Antminer software is saying 502. It's going to differ a little bit. And the key point behind these machines is that you have very large hash rate with a little power input. So the GPU miners that I was using had essentially 5 mega hash, and I was using about 3,000 watts. Now with this particular machine setup, it's a 504 mega hash for only 800 watts. So very, very good with regards to energy consumption. Again, if we take a look at the chart again, the big thing that's going to be driving the profitability is going to be the price of the coin. So going back here, currently 0.07, and we'll kind of follow this over a number of weeks here, a number of months, to kind of see how this changes, and this is really going to determine whether this machine is going to be profitable. So just wanted to quickly introduce you guys to the new L3 Plus Antminer here. Currently mining up here 474.5 mega hash. Over the last 24 hours, it's been averaging 501.3 mega hash. Again, so far I've made 0.1645 Litecoin, about $33 or so in Litecoin. And currently I think it's projected to be about $90 or so per week, and per month $350 or so, $360. But again, that's going to be changing quite dramatically with the price of the coin. And they'll also have to follow along with the hash rate here and the difficulty to see exactly how this is changing. If this goes up quite dramatically here, the profitability and the number of coins per 24-hour period will come down quite dramatically. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick video here updating you guys on what's been happening with my cryptocurrency and now my new L3 Plus Antminer for mining cryptocurrency. I'm also going to be jumping on to probably GDAX, buying some cryptocurrency and doing some day and swing trading with that as well. Just trying to dive into a number of different investing channels that I haven't really exploited to this point. I've done quite a bit on the stock market. I've not done a lot with cryptocurrency. I have my Redcoin up and running. I'm going to have a Dogecoin wallet up and running as well, Litecoin, and then I'll also be installing Bitcoin and running some experiments with doing some day and swing trading on GDAX, a very large cryptocurrency exchange. I'm also going to be diving into a number of other investing channels as well. I'm trying to diversify the investments here with the cryptocurrency. I have some mining going. I have the L3 Plus up and running. I also have my Redcoin wallet. I'll also be installing a Dogecoin wallet, as well as my Litecoin wallet, Bitcoin wallet, and then we'll kind of see if it's going to be profitable day trading and swing trading arbitrage on GDAX, a very large cryptocurrency exchange. So let me know what you guys think about cryptocurrency mining. Do you think it's going to be profitable or not? We'll kind of follow along here as an experiment to see if this is going to be a worthwhile investment or not. So yeah, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until the next video, we'll see you then.